In figure, angle ACB is over here actually. This entire thing is equal to CDA, this entire thing. Okay, those two angles are equal, and we have AC is 8 centimeter, AD is 3 centimeter, and we have DB, that is X centimeter. The question is find DB. That's why I wrote it as X. So first question is, what is the concept that we have to use? What is the concept? Concept that we have to use is, yes, similarity. And between which two triangles? Can think about it. It is similarity, that's kind of obvious because with ratios only we'll be able to find this. But between which two triangles? Think about it. Yes, between ADC. It's very obvious because they're given it, they're like, take it. It's as simple as that. And the other triangle being this, ACB. So in both of this, we have angle A that is common. And proving that they are similar is not at all hard because we have another angle to be equal and we are done. It's as simple as that. So let me show this. But even though it's kind of obvious, I want you guys to get into a discipline of drawing a separate diagram. We have triangle ATB and another similar triangle. So I'll draw a small triangle which looks similar to that. And that would be your A, right? A is common. In place of C, we have D because D is equal, right? Yes. So that's how you should map. You should be careful with the diagrams. It might be obvious to you guys, but in a hurry, we'll miss it out. And in place of B, what is the other one? So there is, let me choose a color, ACB and ADC. So this is C. So these two triangles are similar with AA similarity criteria. Right guys, it's very simple. You have AA common, C and D. And we can write the values also. This is 8 centimeter. This is 3 plus X centimeter. This we don't know. This is 3 centimeter. AC is 8. And it's very obvious. We can find X from all of this. Now the working. We have triangle ACB and triangle ADC. So here angle A is common. And we have angle ACD which is equal to angle ADC. This is given. And please understand that we need to elaborately write that it is ACD. If you write angle C, it won't make sense. Angle D, it won't make sense because this particular vertex has 3 arms. So there are 3 angles. In base, if you count, there are 2 angles at least. So we had to specify which angle we are talking about. Okay. And thus we have by A similarity criteria, what do we have? Triangle ACB is similar triangle ADC. And so we have AC by AD is equal to AB by AC. How is that? Because of CPST. And at last we have AC is 8, AD is 3, AB is 3 plus X, and AC is 8. Cross multiply and all of that, we have 64 is equal to 9 plus 3x. I hope you guys are not confused. And yes, I don't want you guys to do all the steps, 8, 8s, all that is nonsense. So this is 55 is equal to 3x. And this also I could have reduced the step, directly written the answer. Therefore x, which is equal to BD, is equal to 55 by 3 centimeter. Oh yeah, by the way, we need to mention that here x is nothing but BD. Okay, we not mentioned exactly in the diagram also, right? So this is something that we need to mention. Again, learn to draw separate diagrams. Not learn, actually, you guys know how to, don't be lazy. So I'll give the start to this particular aspect of the question.